Jared here at Creative Auto, and I'm going to show you how to install an Undercover Flex.
I'm craving you. I'm craving you. I'm craving you. Make noise doing what I love. I crave music, it's in my blood. I'm craving you. Make noise doing what I love. I crave music, it's in my blood.
First, you got to open the box. Take everything out of the box and inspect all the parts. Lay out all your parts and read your vehicle specific installation instructions. If you don't want to read the instructions, I'll show you how to do it. Up on the bed cap here, simple clamp. You'll just pinch the two together and you'll have 3 clamps on both sides. Now every Undercover Flex installs the same way, but the differences will be that the drain hoses will either have to go through a factory hole or you're going to have to drill a hole into the bed to let the hoses go out. So for instance, on this Dodge, it just goes out through a factory hole. Now repeat the process on the other side. Next up, you'll slide the clamps into the panel track. Once the clamps are in, you'll want to make sure this hard edge right here is almost touching this edge right here. Once you're satisfied for where the position is, slide your clamp into place, tighten that down. Once you get the clamps tightened down, unfold your cover all the way, make sure it latches, slam it into position. Oh snap! Well, there you have it. Just installed an Undercover Flex. Pretty awesome cover. Love the trifold design. Love how sleek it looks on these trucks. And to me, there's really no better cover out there for your truck as far as a hard folding cover. So, you guys have a great day. Hope you enjoy the video. Catch you next time.